Hi everybody, this tutorial's about how to read the vernier calipers. So the digital set of calipers is quite easy to read in that you get an instant view from the display itself. So if your eyesight's not fantastic, they're very, very useful. So make sure that these faces are clean, close the caliper and zero it. Open it up, okay, and we can clearly just read off 12 full millimeters, 9/10 and 6 units. So that's 12.96 millimeters is that width there. Have another go. 7 full millimeters, 2/10 and 1 unit. So 7.21 mil. Very, very simple to read, but we're going to have a look at a little bit more depth than this more traditional type. So we've got essentially 2 scales. Forget about the scales at the top, that's for imperial, okay, which is a different video. So at the bottom we've got this scale here, and this scale here starts at 0 and is graduated in millimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 10 mil. 20 mil, 25 mil, 30 mil, and so on and so forth. So those are millimeters. You're looking for full millimeters to start off with. Then if we look at this bottom scale, we've got 0, we've got 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 of a millimeter, 0.6, and so on and so forth. So those are our tens, all right, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and so on and so forth. And then the very small unit there are our units, but in twos, 0.02, 0.04, 0.06, 0.08, 0.1, 0.12, 0.14, 0.16, and so on and so forth. So let's have a go. Let's just line that up. Now I've set those at 5 millimeters. 5 millimeters. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My 0 and my 5 millimeters, those 2 lines line up from the angle I'm reading it from anyway, absolutely perfectly. So it's 5.00 millimeters is this gap. Let's change it now. Let's go slightly bigger. Let's make it, set it at 1.20. So 10.20 I should say. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 0 is just past the 10. That's 10 millimeters. Now I'm looking to see which line lines up, and my 2 tens lines up. So 10.20 millimeters. The distance between the jaws is 10.20. If one of these other lines lined up, it would be 10.2 something. Let's set it now at a different measurement, a different dimension. Let's try there, whatever that one is. So let's have a look. The 0 there, 10, 11, 12, we've got 13, we've got 14 full millimeters, so that's 14. And now I'm trying to look on this scale here to see what lines up, and I've got 14.4, 14.5. So I've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 point, the 5 lines up, 14.50 millimeters. Let's have a go at one more then. So this measurement here now, the 0 is just past the 2, so that's 20, 10, 20 millimeters. I'm following that along, 20.3, and that line there is lined up. 20 20.3246. 20.36. So quite simply, you count up first how many millimetres. So that 0 marked there is just past the 20. Then you look to see which lines line up. 20 point, the 3 doesn't quite line up. The 3, 6 lines up. 20.32436. It's important to remember that on this bottom scale, that small measurement there, that small unit is 0.02. Anyway, have a look at the vernier calipers yourself. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Thank you.